Hello people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're your first time when they come across my channel, you are highly welcome. So we quickly want to talk about this lady when we say she dey seek for help and she meets this guy. So the guy come help her post her issues for social media, put her account number. You know, say for Nigeria now, get some people when they help those when they not get house and when they look for help. So this person really helped this woman with her 4 children. He helped the woman, so people for social media can they donate money for her, and the guy can put this woman account number for the social media platform when they post the woman. You say they want look for help her, so go post this problem for social media and give some bloggers. Why some bloggers go help them post them and everything. So this matter table when we say this woman can't they like the change and now say the guy they use until they do business. Normally we know say for Africa people they do business with that kind of thing, but the way this woman come to take the issue, it can't they somehow when it be say even you when here you will feel somehow you will feel disappointed. I imagine how this woman will come outside for social media and come they talk now say this guy so they use her for business, this guy so no one may she collect house because the guy they collect some things, and the guy can they make us they understand say now this woman people when they donate money for her, people when they assist her, people when want even give her house, now this woman for account number now they put the money, and this woman they claim now say the guys come the place yesterday, my user yesterday say the guy come the place say me she not accept any house when they give her, and this guy still they try to ask people for there if they see him for that compound yesterday, and they can't got to do this issue to the extent they can't go police station. Police can't they involve, voting they be wanting help the woman, police can't they involve, but the amount of money, total amount of money when they don't give this woman everything, they will write them out. So I will put the video down after this thing so that when I go watch them, when I go see what it really happen, may not come be saying that maybe the person when they talk live for year. So when I watch the video, when I see for myself.
Hey, stop it! Stop it! My name is Olamide. Look at what Ebukoto Shelensi, this woman. People are not paying into my account, they are paying into our own account. I didn't know this woman from Eli Adam. I know this woman. She's saying I'm using it to do business. Yes. That I'm using her to collect. I'm using her to collect money. Yes. It's not my account that this money is going to. Look at. You can see now. This lady, look at what she's doing. Look at.
You want to take me to the next money and my children. He's a thief.
Look at. This is what she's saying.
He don't let me to go and collect that house.
You see, he said I don't let her to go and collect that house.
Yes.
People, madam, did I say she don't go and collect the house?
Yes.
Did I say so? Look at this, madam. Did I say so?
Madam, did he tell you that he did not collect the house?
Did I say so? Did I say so? Madam, you see, this woman. Madam,
next. We concur.
Abeg, what is she saying? What is she saying? Mona talk na abeg. Mona talk.
We're tired. She's been an ingrate.
She said I doing all.
She's been an ingrate. That's the word.
You see. She's lying on my head. That I came here yesterday, drink alcohol, be more. Oh yeah, tell them.
You are a liar. You are a liar. You don't want me to take us. You want me to do business.
That is not what you guys talk when you came. We never heard him said you will not collect house. So.
Abeg, did I drink beer here yesterday?
No.
Man, you are not going anywhere. Please.
It's 3,000.
Eh?
It's 3,000.
Yeah. 83,000. Hello, sir. Hello. Yeah, this is the account balance. You guys can see this is the account balance, and this is the woman. Because I have tried my best. Because the money is not entering my account. According to what people say, they said they should donate money and use it to collect house for this woman. When the woman see that a lot of money has entered her account, she caused a lot of problems to me. So she said, I have no right to decide what she wants to do. That I should leave her alone. We just leave police station now. You see her now. You see her what she doing. This is our daughter. This is all our daughter. We just left the bank now.
You want to you want to take me and do business for all
you see, because the money that they are donating is not my own account. It's in our own account that they are donating the money to. And look at what she's saying. Olamide, I have tried my best. Look at Eyo.
Let me collect house. You say I should leave the money on account. I should leave the money. Don't let me to collect house. And people spend money.
This woman with her 4 kids. Look at Eyo Nigeria. Hold on, sir. Eyo Nigeria. Look at. What happened is that
take it easy. Just say it here.
Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé I lodge this woman to wo sí ewo ore tí bí ṣe ewo ore ló ṣe dibi mọ́ mi lọ́wọ́ o. Because people say I have to follow the case up. Pé mi gbọ́dọ̀ make sure pé woman yẹn gbalé kó dẹ̀ wá sí torí èmi ni bẹ̀rẹ̀ fídíò yẹn. Ìdẹ̀ lọ sí hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì ibi tí woman yẹn wà. And I told her to calm down for a little time. So, me so for woman yìí pé kó calm down. Ibi tí mi ti ń pé kó calm down pé okay, mi fẹ́ follow case up. She's turned everything against me. Say I'm a 419, that I'm using her to collect money, that I want to kidnap her. Kò sí nǹkan tí woman yìí ò sọ tán. People start calling her in my presence, lying on my head. That I'm a cop for one. Look at this is what I did. I called the police, let the police investigate the matter at Mowe Post Station. Yes, we went to the police station, and when people start calling her, when they are the police, they are asking her questions, she start lying against me. The police people say I should leave her, let her go, that I have done the good. Me to show it all on me. And I took her, when I begged her, I calmed her down that I should take me to the ATM when it's not my account that the money is entering, it's her own account. And I went to see her account, look at what I found inside her account, and I do the video that she has found a way. I'll never do good because that woman, she has a family. She has, her husband has a family. Why can't her husband family could help her before I found out? When she saw that a lot, call me lọ́gbọ́n. Ibo Olamide mi ìṣòro mọ́. Torí eléyìí ti kọ́ mi lọ́gbọ́n. Woman yẹn diabetes lé mi lórí náà tó ń pariwo lè mọ́ mi lórí. Ìdẹ̀ fílẹ̀ torí kò máa bá tiẹ̀ lọ. Àwọn èèyàn ń pè é tó ń gbà mí jẹ́ ní ṣojú àwọn èèyàn. Ẹ wò mí. Ọ̀kadà mi gbé lọ láti Ìkòròdú lọ sí Mòwe. Ẹ wo ara mi tí ìwẹ̀ mi ṣe ń délé báyìí ni. Ẹ wo ara mi, ẹ wo gbogbo ojú mi. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ̀yin ìkúlẹ̀ àbíamọ. I'm sorry. Torí I'm the one that's been the video to you. This is what happened. Thank you.
So my people, now the full story about this woman and her 4 children, maybe that one and just watch the video. Mokuna not forget to drop on a comment down below on waiting on a think about this woman behavior. If what she they do so they right, if what she they do so they wrong. To me, I feel say she did wrong somehow. But I really not to know because I know too they understand Yoruba. I know they understand Yoruba because I'm not from Yoruba. So the thing be said, those of now understand the language, more could still try give an opinion on waiting on a think about this woman. If she really go ungrateful as people they talk, so more we for no. Because to me, since everything when they donate for her, they come her account and they say they want to use the money to rent house for you. So that you take care of your 4 kids as a single mom. It really not that easy for one person to take care of 4 children for Africa. So I wonder why you will come dey get misunderstanding with person when they help you only the name of money, when it be say the money they come your own account, you know, they enter the person account. So my people, I will leave una make una watch the rest of the video. I will see you now for my next video. I beg not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you could receive the latest ongoing story as I they upload them for my channel. So my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye for now.